kitchen where we make everything but pasta. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple but very delicious carrot side pickle. It goes really well with any curry or any rice dish. And you can make it spicy or not spicy, any which way you like. But it's super easy, just a few ingredients, and it tastes delicious. So let's get started with our pickle. So here I have julienned the carrots with a smaller setting on the mandolin. You could use the wider setting to get a bit of a wider julienne carrot, but most of the time I will use the smaller setting. So now we're going to go ahead and prepare this carrot pickle. There's only a few ingredients in this recipe, so let's get going with the preparation of this carrot side pickle. But the next thing we're going to chop is the cilantro. I have here a generous handful of cilantro which I am going to chop and use that with the carrots. So let's go ahead and chop the cilantro. Cilantro does not have to be chopped too finely. I'll just give it a rough chop here. So now we're going to combine the rest of the ingredients in the pickle. Let's start with adding the cilantro to the carrots. I'm just going to give it a quick mix here. To this we're now going to add the rest of the ingredients. We'll start with tomato paste. I have Hunt's tomato paste here. So I've added about 4 tablespoons of tomato paste, 4 generous tablespoons of tomato paste here. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and about 1.5 teaspoons of salt or to taste. The next thing I am going to add is some lemon juice. I use the real lemon juice. About 3 tablespoons. And you can adjust the taste if you want some more. And now we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil, just plain vegetable oil. And we're just going to mix this up now. So these pickles are enjoyed by anybody who doesn't want anything spicy, but if you do want spicy, then you will add the red chili powder to this. And at our place, most of the family will eat spicy kind. So I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of hot chili powder. You can adjust the chili as required. Okay, so this is now ready if you wanted to take some out for those people that don't want anything spicy and just want to eat pickles as is. But now I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of red chili powder because we do like it spicy and hot. So here is our chili powder, and I am going to be generous with the chili. I add about 2.5 tablespoons and just give it a good mix. Let's put it in a dish. You can store this in the fridge in an airtight container for up to about a week. In the case where you have made too much and you're not going to use it in the next week or so, it freezes really well as well. So let's give it a taste test. So here's our pickle that I just prepared, and we are going to give it a taste test. Just to give it a quick taste to make sure that we have, the right amount of lemon and salt and chilies. I'm just going to give it a quick taste. Here's a few carrots that I'm going to give it a try, and let's see what it tastes like. Wow, it's got a bit of heat. Just the right amount of salt and lemon juice. It's perfect. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.